You guys might remember we did a video not too long ago where we showed you what we do with the onions that have flower. And we had this trailer totally covered with those onions, and now we are taking the onions and getting them ready for storage. So we've got these bags here, the bag we're working on now. So that is our year's supply of onions. So once they've been out and they've dried well, why don't you show them how we're doing this?
So the majority of them, hopefully this is one, we pull the extra roots off, we pull holding here, pull it off. This is the last bit that will dry, and this one is fine, and we'll stick it in the bag. There's some, a small percentage like these, when we pull it off, it just doesn't seem dry and it pulls too much and it gets down to the onion itself. So we don't want to put these in to store.
Yeah, anything that has any moisture on the outside of it won't store well. And every once in a while you'll have one you pull apart, like this guy right here. When I pulled the stem off the top, it exposed the inner part of the onion, so it just kind of broke. You don't want to put those in your long-term storage. So we'll save those and we'll either freeze dry them or use those first. And we're separating our red ones from
so we have a few red
yellows.
ones. We never do too many red ones.
Yeah, we don't use a lot of the red ones, so we just have a few, but they turned out pretty well also. We're going to do those the same way.
Yep. Nice hot day
it is
to do when
it is very hot.
Shade.